Hello, this is Tuck with Tuck GC, and today we are in Springfield, Virginia, looking at a driveway extension and a rear patio area with some drainage. Now, let's take a look at the front here first, and then we'll poke our head into the back. So basically, you see, we did this driveway extension. We talked to the client about different options and maybe doing like a skinnier piece that meets with the apron and stuff like that. But whenever you have those skinny little pieces, they're very prone to cracking. So I like to take any sort of extension piece and flare it out pretty wide from the get-go. And this is what we came up with, and you can easily fit 2 cars here. Nice width, 11 feet, 47 feet long. And you see we matched up all the control joints, and we were working next to this existing concrete and porch area, and it actually came out really well. And the one thing I want you to note here is just take a look at how clean the site is. There isn't much concrete staining or dirt or anything like that. Even as we come down here to the street and the apron, you can see, of course, there's always going to be a slight bit of staining like you see right there, but for the most part, we were able to keep the site area from getting any sort of damage or any extensive dirt. Let's take a look at the rear. Now in the rear area here, we had some complex drainage on this patio, but I kind of want to show you, just because I like to set expectations for clients, sometimes yard damage is minimal, sometimes it's pretty bad, but in this area it was a little wet, and we had to do this whole thing by hand, and you can see that the grass was trampled down pretty heavy out to about here. But the good news is we're in a nice time of the year where you can plant grass and get this back up pretty quickly. But this is kind of maybe the extent of bad damage, if you will, that you'll see on one of my jobs. But I just kind of want to share that so you can get an honest look at what happens. Now in the back here we had some complicated drainage where they were getting some flooding here into the garage. And what we were able to do was take this whole area and kind of pitch it over to this drain here. And this drain actually sits lower than this whole corner. So any water for about a foot radius around this that gets into this corner will flow right into that drain. And then approximately 25 feet away, there's a pop-up valve right there. So this is going to fix the drainage issue that these clients had, as well, and put it in a nice patio where they were dealing with some pavers before that were, falling apart and had the weeds growing in them and all that. And here's one final parting shot of the front extension area. So thanks for watching the video. We appreciate it. If you need any work like this, please give us a call. Thank you and have a good day.